Here's how to make hundreds of thousands of dollars with cheap land from the tax deed sales and turn that into thousands of dollars per month in residual income. So one of the things that people don't realize is that land often at these tax deed sales doesn't sell, or it sells really cheap because people want to just bid on the houses. They want to go kind of for the big carrot. And a lot of the times that gets competitive and it gets bid up. So here's what you need to realize. Remember, half of the states are lien states, half of the states are tax deed states. There are about 3,200 counties amongst all of those states. So you have 1,500 states that offer tax deeds. Now, of those 1,500, there are hundreds of these counties right now that have properties in their inventory that did not sell at the auction. Now, this is what we call an OTC, or an over-the-counter deed. Now, there is a lot of diamonds in the rough with these properties, especially with the land. Now, here's the thing. A lot of the times, because they didn't sell at the sale, or a property that doesn't sell at a tax sale might not be the most desirable property. Now, that being said, if you put in a little bit of elbow grease, you can find these properties often dirt cheap. Now, whether you're going to go to the auction and buy them in person, or you're going to get the list from the county and start going through them, there are a lot of pieces of land that you can buy cheap. Like, I've literally purchased land in Minnesota for like $50 or $500-$600, and these lots are worth thousands of dollars, or it could be farmland. There are so many options for buying land at these tax deed sales that are overlooked. So here's the thing. There are so many of these counties that say they have land for $500 or $1,000, and maybe this land is worth, if you get it for $500, maybe it's worth $5 to $10 grand. So someone like you can go and buy this land, and there are hundreds of people all throughout the US making hundreds of thousands of dollars, and this is their strategy. They buy up the cheap land, and from there what they do is they don't sell it for full retail. They do a lease option, or basically like a rent to own on this property. So say it's worth $500 and they go and they sell it for $10,000. So the way you structure the deal is you could say, land value 10 grand, $3,000 down, and $500 per month. Okay.